today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention people in Notion. Mentions are the quickest way to bring teammates into the right spot at the right time so they see exactly what you need from them without hunting through pages. Whether you're drafting content, tracking tasks, or reviewing a document together, using the @ symbol is your go-to. Let's start with inline mentions. When you're typing anywhere in a Notion page, inside a paragraph, a checklist, a heading, or even within a database property, type the @ symbol, then begin typing the person's name. As soon as you do, Notion shows a small menu with matching people. Select the correct person from that list. The text will turn into a clean, clickable mention. That mention automatically notifies the person and links straight back to the exact spot in your page, so they have all the context they need. If you're tagging more than one person, just repeat the same step for each one. A quick tip: if you see other suggestions in the menu, like pages or dates, make sure you're choosing from the people section so your mention actually notifies the right teammate. Keep your sentence clear. Add a short note about what you need, and if relevant, a due date in plain text, so the mention doubles as a lightweight request. Now let's talk about comments. Inside any comment thread in Notion, you can also use the @ symbol to alert specific team members. While typing your comment, enter the @ symbol and start the person's name. Then select them from the menu and finish your message. When you post the comment, they'll receive a notification that points directly to that thread, allowing them to reply in context. This is perfect for questions, approvals, or quick feedback. If you're addressing multiple people, mention each one separately within the same comment so everyone gets a clear nudge. Add a brief action statement like "please review" or "needs approval" to make it obvious what you're expecting. A couple of helpful notes. Mentions respect page permissions, so if someone doesn't have access to the content, Notion may prompt you to share it first or the mention won't open for them. Notifications can appear in Notion's inbox and, depending on personal settings, via email or mobile push. If you're working on a sensitive draft, consider who truly needs to be tagged to avoid noise. That's it. Use the @ symbol in your text for inline mentions, and use the @ symbol inside comment threads to alert people right where the discussion is happening. Try it on a page you're already working on, and you'll see how much faster collaboration becomes.